This video contains: firstly, parts of vapor compression cycle. Second, how a vapor compression cycle works. Third, application of vapor compression cycle. Before starting video, if you are new to channel, kindly subscribe the channel and also press bell icon so that you will receive our latest and simplest explanation of technical tutorial. Let's start today's tutorial. Vapor compression cycle has basically four components. First is the compressor. Its function is to compress low pressure and temperature refrigerant into high pressure and high temperature. Compressor is heart of cycle and the start position of vapor compression cycle. Second part is the condenser. Its function is to convert the high temperature and high pressure refrigerant coming from the compressor into high pressure and low temperature. It is located between the compressor and the expansion valve. Third component is the expansion valve. It converts high pressure and low temperature refrigerant into low pressure and low temperature. Expansion valve is located between the condenser and evaporator. And the last component is the evaporator. Evaporator is located in the area with is to be refrigerated. Evaporator collects all the latent heat present in the item to be refrigerated. Hence refrigerated effect is achieved. Working of the vapor compression cycle is shown in the animation. The blue color side indicates low pressure side, and red color side indicates high pressure side. To put it in simple, the refrigerant is first compressed to high pressure and high temperature in the compressor. Then it moves on to the condenser, where its temperature decreases. Then the refrigerant is moved on to the expansion valve, where its pressure reduces, and then the refrigerant is sent to the evaporator, where refrigerating effect is achieved by absorbing the latent heat. This animation explains us the movement of refrigerant through all the components of vapor compression cycle. The cycle starts from the compressor and ends on the evaporator. And this cycle goes on continuously. Moreover, a dryer and a receiver is also installed to increase the overall efficiency of the cycle. Vapor compression cycle is fully dependent on eco-friendly refrigerant, that is R134a. So it is widely used in all types of domestic household refrigerator and air conditioner. Thank you for watching video. Please like and share the video. And also subscribe the channel to get latest and high-tech diploma tutorial.